The Big Mac Burger has returned again to the Craft Burger here in Ealing Broadway to get into the second edition of the BossBox meal. So this time around, I'm going to be getting into the fried items, the fried chicken burger, the fried strips, and the fried chicken loaded fries. I'm going to let you know whether this place is Big Mac Burger reviewed and legit certified and approved. Let's go, let's get into it. Craft Burger Ealing for the second time. Let's go. Here's what we've got going on right now here at Craft Burger for the second time. Wow, look at that. Fried chicken breast and strips. Coated, marinated, flavored, seasoned, and flavored to perfection. Unbelievable. Craft Burger here for the second time. Ealing Broadway. I'm going to be tagging the address in the caption below. How many, how many strips? Oh, and then jeez, fried chicken strips and tenders, and the actual breast fillet for the burger itself, or fried chicken sandwich, fried chicken burger being deep fried right now. I'm sure this is going to be hitting big numbers and smashing big results. So here, Craft Burger Ealing, I'm going to let you know whether this place is legit, certified, verified, and Big Mac Burger reviewed. Let's go. Right, so this is the finished product, the fried chicken breast strip, the fried chicken breast being doused in a honey barbecue sauce, and yeah, fully coated, and all the strips as well. Oh my god, honey barbecue, man. Like, this is my go-to favorite of all time, honey barbecue. Like, this is straight up just from looking at this. I haven't even tried it yet, but it's giving me remnants and vibes from like the Crofton Cafe in Crofton Park. Fully flavored. Thank you very much. Fried chicken strips and tenders, the fried chicken burger, honey barbecue, and sesame seed. Oh, wow, perfection, perfect. What sauce is this?
Mayonnaise.
Mayo.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mayonnaise.
Nice, man. Nice, nice. Fully loaded. Fully loaded. Cheese. Oh, this is what I mean by fully loaded. Nice. Perfect. Fully loaded. I don't think you can get any better than that, man. Here, Craft Burger Ealing for the signature fried chicken burger and the fried chicken strips, honey barbecue flavored. The fries going on. Wow. Fried chicken fries. And this looks unbelievable. I can't wait to get into this, man. And cheese sauce. Oh man. Like, the stuff that dreams are made of when it comes to fried chicken. What sauce is this?
Burgers.
Burger sauce. Burger sauce, cheese sauce. Unbelievable. Wow. Wow. I mean, yeah. That's what you call the Holy Trinity. I'm going to get into this straight away. No messing about, no wasting time. Here, Craft Burger. The fried chicken items on the menu. I've got into fried chicken loaded fries, loaded with burger sauce and cheese sauce. And secondly, the main event, I've got into the hot honey, the hot honey barbecue fried chicken burger, fully loaded how I wanted it. and the hot honey fried chicken strips and tenders. So you know what? Let's go straight for. I'm going straight for the burger because that's the main event. Right, and drink to wash it down with ice mango. This is a fully loaded burger. So we got we got mayonnaise, we got cheese on there, we got the honey barbecue breast piece, we got red onion, we got mixed peppers, we got lettuce, we got more mayo in there. We got fully loaded burger. Now this isn't really anything that you can order from them and you get it like this normally. I chose to get it like this because I got no restriction upon what I can and cannot eat. So I wanted a fully loaded burger, and that's what I got. All right, so yeah, here we go. Let's get into this right now. Messy, fully loaded, but expected to be messy. All right, let's go. Sensational, absolutely sensational. This is there's falling everywhere. It's with the hot honey barbecue plus the mixed peppers and the red onion. It's giving like sweet and sour vibes. I'm a big lover of I'm a big lover of sweet and sour chicken. It's giving me that type of vibes, but 10 times more. Hot honey barbecue. Yeah, this is the one. I mean, in terms of a fried chicken burger, this is hitting big numbers. Tastes like sweet and sour chicken, fresh, fresh as you like, man. I like it extremely fresh. This is perfect. Yeah, added fresh red onion, fresh diced peppers. I'm gonna go high on the score on this. This is really good. Cleanse the palate with the ice mango. Fried chicken, hot honey barbecue tenders. The fried chicken side of it has got to be my favorite. Fried chicken is my go-to Last Supper, death row standard equivalent food of choice. There's hot honey barbecue strips with the sesame seeds very nicely dressed, pleasantly appealing to the eye, perfectly cooked from the inside, fully flavored from the outside. A nice crunchy crisp on the outside, softly like moistened from the sauce. I prefer this more than the Peps and Mott's. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Strips are fully flavored, fully loaded. Honey and barbecue. Just giving me vibes of that sweet and sour, chicken and waffle, honey and ginger glaze, maple syrup. Cleanse the palate with the ice mango. Fried chicken loaded fries with burger sauce and cheese sauce. Let's go. You know what? Hands were invented before cutlery. cheese fries with a cheese sauce and a burger sauce by itself. That's comfort food. It tastes like comfort food. Fried chicken, fried chicken with mac and cheese sauce and burger sauce. It's pure indulgent comfort food. To the point, it's getting me hot and flustered. Ah, it's perfect, man. For me, the flavoring of the the fries with the burger sauce and the cheese sauce. The cheese sauce is like the kind of cheese sauce that you expect to get on a macaroni and cheese. In terms of the fried chicken strips and the burger itself, it is up there with the brunch town platter at the Crofton Cafe in Crofton Park. I prefer that more than the loaded fries. This right, so this here, a work of art, man. Like it deserves the stand-up respect that it's due and respected for. The honey barbecue strips and the honey barbecue fried chicken burger is up there with the Crofton Cafe. So I'm gonna give this along with this a straight Covenant Pinnacle 10 out of 10. That's a Big Mass Burger review here at Craft Burger for the second time on the Bond Street in Ealing Broadway. I'm gonna tag the address in the caption below. And it's a Big Mass Burger review. I urge all my followers and my viewers, get yourselves down here, man, to try some of the best fried chicken strips and tenders. If you're into the sweet and spicy and savoury, get them loaded with the honey barbecue. You're not going to be disappointed. Thank you very much. That's a Big Mass Burger review.